Hi there, welcome to the GridMate Learning channel. Today, we'll be continuing our demo of the config wizard by exploring the feature sort in greater detail. Let's get started. First, head back to the config wizard and select the Sort, Order tab. From there, you can choose the field you'd like to sort. In our case, we'll be sorting the close date field in descending order. Once you've selected the field and sort order, copy the config. Edit the Lightning page in the App Builder. Scroll down, paste the config here. Set the order to descending. And click Save and Back. Now, your close date field is sorted in descending order. Thanks for watching.